Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time, welcome. You clicked on the video. I'm going to show you how to increase your credit score today with this hack. This is called the 3 account rule. And before I go ahead and get started, I got to take care of some housekeeping. So again, if you need a book and consultation because you need help with your credit, that'll be in the link in the description below. Here are my credentials. They'll be somewhere on the screen. I am a loan underwriter. I approve loans for a living. And last, the only way for anybody to know about this hack is if you were insider in the financial industry. Fact. Because I look at loans every day, I am told this information and I've learned this information. So this is a great way to help you increase your credit score. Let's get started. So again, the 3 account rule. So what this is pretty much having a revolving account, a authorized user account, and having an installment loan of some sort. So what these 3 essentially loans will do is hit all parts of what determines what your credit score is. You have your credit mix, your credit history, your payment history, amounts owed. And essentially, so let's start off with the credit card. Obviously, with the secured credit card or regular credit card, whichever you decide, making sure with the credit card you never exceed more than 30%. Make sure you always use up to about 10%. In how you calculate that is by adding up your credit limit of all your cards divided by 10% or times 10%, and you'll find what your credit utilization cannot exceed. So if you have $1,000 of a credit card, 10% would be $100. Next, with the authorized user, that's just there to help you build your credit history. So just getting on to somebody that is responsible, that is the key. You have to talk with people that are responsible with their credit. Once they do that, you'll see that longevity of their credit history. So make sure you ask them questions. Oh, where's your credit score at? Oh, where's your credit utilization at? When did you open this account? Asking those basic questions will help you understand and determine if that person is responsible with their credit. And the last one is installment, which does credit mix. So again, in order to have the best credit score, you have to have some sort of an installment loan, whether it be an auto loan, RV, motorcycle, jet ski, whatever it is, you have to have one on there. And what this essentially does, it will help you increase your credit score and also show you, here's a secret, lenders look for that. They want a minimum between 3 to 5 accounts, whether it's a loan for an auto loan, personal loan, or even a mortgage for a home. They want to go ahead and see that. So making sure that you understand that when you do, you'll be able to implement this here today if your credit's in the right area. If not, book me. Come on, I'm here for you guys. So that will definitely help you to increase your credit and then help you with also increasing your chances for loan approval. Said to you by a person in the industry, which is me. So remember, I approve loans for a living. So that hack will help you and get you on your way. Again, if you need help with your credit, go ahead and again contact me for consultation, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you don't fully understand. I'm here again for you, for everyone. So see you guys next time.